So stay right there. What I want you to do, okay? Oh, okay. Come here, Sarah. Don't go running away, all right?
Yes, sir.
Sarah. Hey. Sarah. You okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. You passed out. You weren't answering me. Okay? Try to stay awake.
March 19th, 2026. Officers responded to a vehicle crash. The driver, Sarah Bogney, made 9 self-incriminating statements across 16 minutes of contact. The real issue here is not whether she was intoxicated. It is what the law required the moment she said the first word, and what no one told her she did not have to say.
What's your name?
Yes, sir. I feel like I'm a little bit over-intoxicated.
You feel like you're a little bit over intoxicated?
Yes, sir.
Were you drinking?
Yes, sir.
What were you drinking?
I can't remember. My father had given it to me.
Were you drinking this morning?
No, not this morning. After 2 p.m.
Do you know what time it is right now?
Yes, sir.
What time?
After 3:30 p.m.
Okay.
After jumping.
That's what you had?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What'd you say your first name was?
Sarah?
Sarah. Okay. I'm Jeff. Are you injured right now?
No, sir.
No, nothing hurts?
No, sir.
Well, I saw her did take a tumble when she got out. She took a tumble
Yeah.
forward and fell. So
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
Dave.
No, he's
Can you just turn that car off, make sure it's in park?
Yes, sir.
Sarah, do you have nothing hurts? What
No,
happened?
sir. No, I feel like I got like a little bit intoxicated.
Okay. How did you crash your car?
No, sir. I feel like I like the anorexic park, which is not right.
Okay.
But the
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir.
Can I see it?
Yes, sir. It's in my car.
It's in your car? You have a purse in the car?
It's right here in the seat. Do I have her
Yes,
permission
sir.
to get it?
Can you grab her purse and bring it over to her?
Yes, sir.
Thanks, guys.
If you look in my right hand pocket, it should be there. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to inconvenience whoever that's there.
Is it there, Dave?
Yeah, it's right here. Too fat to reach all the way over.
Do you have any medical problems there?
Yeah, you can cancel Rockwood Borough and Boone as per Command Fire's not.
Where's your driver's license at?
Yes, sir. Can I touch it?
Yeah. Can you grab your license for me?
Yes, sir. It's not here. So
It's not there?
District 1, District 4.
Can you
I don't want
28
to
that
mess
tag,
it with
Dave?
it.
Her name's Sarah.
I got it. Dave, I got it. I got it. I'll take care of it.
What's your last name, Sarah?
Bogney, B-U-S.
Here, let me see if I can find it for you.
Yes, sir.
Let me have those so I put them back in your purse
Yes,
here.
sir.
Officer,
My last name is S-U-B-N-E-Y.
33. Who did that plate come back to? That Juliet 85 Victor Kilo Lima.
Dave, it's not in here. Can you just put this back in the car?
Sarah Bogney.
Can you stand up for me? Here, I'll give you a hand. All right. We're gonna go over here on the flat ground, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. I want you to stand over here. Okay. And I want you to look at me. Right?
Look at you?
Yep. Can you stand with your hand?
Is this a DUI test?
What? This is a DWI test. Yep. We're gonna do this.
Yep. Okay.
Have you ever had a DUI before?
No, sir.
No? Okay, can you turn and look at me?
Is there an
Is there what?
officer, standing officer with, like, in front?
I'm right here.
That makes no sense.
I don't know what you're just trying to say.
Okay.
All right.
So, is there Is there
All right.
Sir, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
don't.
Listen, we're going to run through a couple tests,
I
okay?
apologize.
Don't apologize.
Can I please talk to you separate from these folks?
Yeah, they'll go stand over there.
They'll go stand over.
No, you stand right here.
Go away.
They're not going to go any further. What's going on? What you tell me, you can tell them. All right, go ahead.
I'm an alcoholic.
Okay. All right. Well, maybe this is the time to get some help. But we got to run through these tests real quick, okay, Sarah? Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to stand with your feet together. Okay? But can you put your I'm listening. Okay. Well, listen, we're going to do these, okay? And then we're going to try to get you some help, okay? Maybe this is the wake-up call in your life to go to rehab, okay? And get yourself together, all right? But right now we have some stuff we need to do, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you look at me? All right, focus on me. Right? I want you to stand with your feet together and your hands at your side. Can you do that for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead and do that now. Sarah, can you see the tip of my pen here?
Ma'am?
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the tip of my pen?
Yes.
All right. What I want you to do is I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand my instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir.
You have to, don't move your head, just with your eyes, okay? You can't move your head, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? Tip of my pen right here.
Yes, sir.
Don't move your head. Don't fall over.
Can I hold your hand?
Sure.
Or no?
All right. Don't fall over. Just follow the tip of your... All right. Ready? Don't move your head. Okay. All right.
Yes,
Let go.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, stay right there. What I want you to do, okay? Oh, okay. Come here, Sarah. Don't go running away, all right?
Yes, sir.
Gonna make the effort. What I want you to do is I want you to place your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe, keeping your hands at your side, just like this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you get in that position for me now? Go ahead and touching heel to toe. Okay, Sarah, do you think that you're capable of doing these tests?
Clinically, no.
No? Okay. All right, I'm going to terminate these tests for your safety, all right?
Yes, sir.
The officer asked whether Sarah Bogney believed she could complete the standardized field sobriety tests. She said, clinically, no. Arrest was declared 3 seconds later. Under Miranda versus Arizona, custodial interrogation requires advisement of rights before questioning begins. The hinge question was this encounter custodial at that moment, or still a non-custodial roadside investigation under Berkemer versus McCarty. That distinction matters because everything Sarah Bogney said before a formal custodial finding was volunteered into a non-custodial context and is therefore fully admissible without any Miranda analysis. Still, the absence of an on-camera Miranda advisement at arrest declaration is a detail defense counsel will examine. The next several minutes tell the rest of that story.
Right, so right now, you're going to be placed on arrest for drinking and driving. All right, put your hands behind your back. All right, put your hands behind your back. Relax.
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 Gotcha.
Okay.
Relax,
All right.
sir.
Dave, you just pull that jacket up a little bit.
One under 1308.
Sir.
Correct, it's gonna be you.
You don't have to apologize. Like,
I know it's nothing.
like Officer Williams said, this is time for you to get help. You're a nice young lady, and you're admitting to it, so that's a good first start. Just walk her right up.
Yeah, we're going to walk
Let me do this. Please, sir.
Took you in her purse or anything, her little wallet
Yes,
there?
sir.
Her
Got
key?
no ID in there.
Yeah.
But I do need the
No,
registration.
I mean, I can,
Jay, I've been
One phone, right? Chad?
told many different things. Do you want the crash and the DUI in the same number, or do you want them on separate numbers?
I can have my
Same
own
number,
phone
but somebody
number.
else could do, like, we could have CAC about do the crash footage.
I
Okay.
can give my phone number if it means anything.
What'd you say?
I'm so sorry.
We don't need to get your phone number. We'll get it back.
My phone number if it anything.
Okay.
You had called
I
for
can
a
give
rig?
you my phone.
No, they called for a rig.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
she didn't ask for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, sir.
Fair, you
One
can
Charlie
cancel
headquarters.
that.
Charlie headquarters.
I'm so sorry,
It's
sir.
okay. It's all right. You can 22 the ambulance. We don't need it.
You'll hang here for the crash report, and I'll follow.
Yes, sir.
How do you even get into this?
We're in a weird spot because I parked over there.
I was like, yo, this is Sandy Wall. Come on, we're gonna go this way, Sarah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Personal keys, her phone, and I think she should take her wallet.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
All
definitely.
right. There's some cash in
Take
the
the cash.
console. I'm going to take that.
Take the cash. Give it.
You don't
Yep.
want you
Yes,
to
sir.
leave your cash in there.
Thank you.
All right.
I appreciate
Sarah, do you have any family at home?
I mean, my dad and mom.
Your dad and mom? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sarah, do you know where you keep your registration for the car?
Yes, sir.
Where is it at? I
mean,
looked. The registration. Mom has it,
My mom.
and the insurance card.
Yes, sir.
All right.
We don't see it in here, Paul. And I.
Is the cash there?
Yeah.
I'll take all that. That way we keep it with her. Oh, easy there, Sarah. Don't go anywhere.
Oh.
I don't want you to fall, okay?
Oh.
Oh, it's cold. Looks like $40 in cash.
Get into the roof of this.
No, it's super cold and cold.
We'll try the test at headquarters again.
It's up to you.
I like to give it the chance.
There's the car keys.
What?
Personal keys. $40 in cash.
Wood.
That's what I said. I'll carry it for you. I'll go up there. I got
I'm licensed.
Carrying a pallet.
Yes, sir.
All right, come on, Sarah.
You want
Yes,
to
sir.
walk up with him, and I'm going to drive around and go in with him. Perfect.
Okay. Sarah, you don't have any weapons or anything on you, do you?
No, sir.
No drugs or needles, anything that's going to poke or stick me when I search you?
No, sir. I mean, I shot a gun like 2 years ago.
Okay.
That was for like deer.
Okay. Well, as long as you don't have a deer rifle hiding on you somewhere, we'll be all right.
No, sir.
You shot a deer. Poor deer.
What do you mean that poor deer?
Did you eat them?
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir.
You're okay.
I'm
we're
so
gonna-
sorry, sir. What did you
That's okay.
say?
I just said the poor deer.
Hit the button.
Oh, there's stuff in there.
Dave, can you just take us half a step back so you can get
Oh,
on camera
yes,
me
sir.
patting her down?
Yeah, absolutely.
You just leave that door closed.
Yep. Hold on.
Here, come here.
Oh, yes.
1 second. We just have to make sure.
Right?
Make sure.
Okay. All right. Got nothing on you? Okay.
Is it inside? Let's just check the inside pockets.
Yeah, they're inside pockets.
Yes, I saw those. Okay. This one's good.
Back at headquarters.
We do have something in here.
Here, I got it.
It's in this way. Hit something hard.
Wait.
In this
What?
pocket.
Something in the... Oh.
Carabiner. Okay, there's your personal
All right,
stuff.
Sarah, come on
Sarah,
over
we're gonna have a seat right here.
Back seat is clear.
All right.
Drop it there. Put your hands low on your back. There's a little area there for you to keep them in. You're gonna do tow sheet?
I don't mind at all. Whoever is like,
Tom.
do anything? That's what I'm asking. Tell me, I'll do it. I'll do whatever.
No, we're good. Tom's gonna handle the crash.
Okay.
Um,
Need to do that, right?
what?
Then we don't really need to do the tow sheet. Well, it's gonna get towed.
Yeah, it's getting impounded. I got to do a tow sheet for it.
Okay.
Hey, Tom, can you just throw the plate and?
What else? We don't need anything else, right? John 85 Victor Kilo Lincoln.
Oh, he needs to write the ticket.
Yeah. Yep, we need the tickets. All right. You need anything else? I want to hang with you.
Attach your card if it's not. Let me know.
So this is getting towed for the MVA or for that? Does he still need the? Does he have, you have to do a tow sheet? You need your mileage and all that?
Yeah.
Still has to do it, right? I'm gonna go off on him.
Sarah. Hey. Sarah. You okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. You passed out. You weren't answering me. Okay? Try to stay awake.
Oh, she's taking
She
a nap?
just slumped over and was like, out. I just wanted to check on her status.
When did that happen?
No idea.
You weren't backed up in there anyway.
No.
We'll look at that later.
All right.
On voluntary self-incrimination, Sarah Bogney disclosed her intoxication at 0 minutes 32 seconds before any question about alcohol had been asked. Miranda versus Arizona and Berkemer versus McCarty are both clear. Voluntary pre-custodial statements require no advisement to be admissible. The prosecution does not need the officer's observations. They have her words. While the argument exists that Sarah Bogney simply did not know she could remain silent. The legal standard does not require knowledge. It requires only that the statement be voluntary and uncoerced. No question had been asked. That standard was met in the first 30 seconds. On the field sobriety test termination, under National Highway Traffic Safety Administration guidelines, an incomplete standardized field sobriety test is not a neutral result. It is a documented non-completion. That said, an officer who forces an impaired subject through a physical test she has stated she cannot safely complete creates both a safety risk and a potential suppression argument. Terminating on her stated incapacity was the more defensible procedural choice. Miranda versus Arizona requires advisement before custodial interrogation, not before the arrest itself. The operative question is whether any questioning occurred after that point without the required warning. On the voluntary firearms disclosure, Sarah Bogney mentioned firing a gun 2 years ago, unprompted, during the post-arrest phase. Under United States versus Robinson, officers may search a person incident to a lawful arrest under the Fourth Amendment. Her volunteering prior firearm use before any such question provided a second independent basis for the pat-down. That makes any Fourth Amendment challenge to the search significantly harder to sustain. Sarah Bogney lost consciousness in the patrol vehicle after the medical unit had been canceled, under Estelle versus Gamble. Deliberate indifference to a serious medical need in custody implicates the Eighth Amendment. Officers confirmed she was responsive within moments. Still, that sequence, cancellation followed by loss of consciousness, is precisely the fact pattern that generates civil liability claims. Whether a second medical call was placed is not confirmed from the footage. On the officer side, the contact was measured and professional. Tests were terminated correctly. Belongings were carefully inventoried. The one area that warrants review, the absence of an on-camera Miranda advisement at the moment arrest was declared. On Sarah Bogney's side, she answered every question, confirmed every detail, and made no attempt to evade or escalate. That cooperation supplied every element of the prosecution's case before a single formal charge had been filed. First lesson. For drivers, probable cause in this case was established entirely through voluntary statements made in the first 90 seconds of contact. The right to remain silent exists before and after arrest. Exercising it is not an admission of guilt. It is a constitutional protection. Second lesson. For officers and departments, when a subject loses consciousness in custody after a medical unit has been canceled, that sequence creates documented exposure under Estelle versus Gamble. A standing reevaluation protocol at every custody transport point reduces risk. Third lesson. For both sides, declining field sobriety tests and declining to answer questions without an attorney present are legal in every state. Neither refusal is obstruction. Neither requires an explanation. Knowing that difference is the only thing that changes how this stop ends. If there is a case that deserves this kind of analysis, leave it in the comments. Rights only matter if someone is willing to examine them. Thanks for watching.